I'm Anne France with the New Manufacturing Alliance. Our members are excited about you joining their team. Being successful in the workplace is very much like the cogs in a gear you would find in a manufacturing company's. Each small cog impacts the overall running of the gear. Likewise, there are many small things you can do that will impact how you excel at your job. Let's now hear from 10 companies on their tips for your success.
At Packer Fastener, we believe that integrity is so vitally important to our success that it's one of the first fundamentals in our company culture. This fundamental says, act with integrity, act in the best interest of our customers, our organization, and our coworkers. Do the right thing at all times, in all circumstances, whether or not anyone is watching. Integrity is important because you're only as good as your word and your actions. There are no shortcuts to success. There is no easy way to the top. Taking responsibility for problems, practicing honesty and transparency, and having the self-discipline to follow through on projects takes time and it takes hard work. It takes time to build trust and to find success. You have to demonstrate that you're dependable and hardworking in every interaction. And if you decide to take a shortcut just once, if you choose not to show integrity just one time, all that trust, which took you so long to build, it can all disappear in an instant. At the end of the day, life's too short to take shortcuts. If you want to be successful, play the long game. Demonstrate integrity every time you interact with your family, friends, coworkers, and customers. And if you do, you're going to be successful.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Hoppa, Director of Large Chassis Manufacturing for Alliance Laundry Systems in Ripon. For me, defining quality is pretty straightforward. It means that I do what I say I'm going to do. At Alliance Laundry Systems, we say we build the world's best laundry equipment, and we back that up every day with our actions. We're committed to providing laundry equipment and service that meets or exceeds our customers' expectations. We are on a never-ending journey to improve our processes, and our team members are deeply involved in making those improvements. Every team member is expected to contribute to a quality product through their daily work. First, and most important, our team needs to know and follow all of our health and safety procedures. You need to show up on time, ready for duty, and we want our team members to speak up and share their ideas. We continuously enhance our legendary quality by finding new ways to make our manufacturing processes as error-free, efficient, and safe as possible. It's a big goal, but our team has been meeting high-quality standards for 115 years, and we work together to make it happen.
At Sargento, collaboration skills are critical to success in today's work environment. We at Sargento work together as a team, helping others around us become better, and building professional relationships with coworkers that include trust, respect, care, and appreciation for each person makes a difference. Collaboration improves the way our teams work together and problem solve. This leads to more innovation, efficient processes, increased success, and improved communication. Collaboration means being open to feedback and ideas from all the team members, providing different perspectives. If a group of employees at Sargento work together to finish a project on time, they work together as a team. But if they brainstorm their new ideas for the project, they are collaborating.
As an automation engineer, my team and I are always making sure KI is on the forefront of manufacturing technologies. We regularly develop systems and processes and fixtures that help our operations and our people remain efficient, relevant, and best in our industry. It can be fast-paced and exciting, but it can also require a certain level of composure and adaptability in my day-to-day work. I need to be ready to quickly adapt and prioritize the needs of our production team and our operations team, regardless of what I had planned for that day. Throughout my life, I've honed my ability to look at a situation and break it into smaller, more manageable tasks. That way I can prioritize and accomplish them one at a time. A lot of situations can look daunting if you're looking at it as a whole,
Being able to identify the needs and the solutions calmly and efficiently has helped me a lot throughout my career.
As you think about your future career and what it is like to be in the workforce, you will frequently hear the word initiative. Initiative is really your ability to get things done without being told what to do. At LaForce, all employees are trusted to do their work and meet deadlines every day. This means prioritizing what tasks need to be done first. It means being flexible because not everything goes the way you want it to, and you must be willing to adjust. Most importantly, showing initiative and self-direction means accomplishing your portion of the job so that teammates can do their portion of the job. You will be trained to do your job. Make sure you ask questions and take notes. This is the first step in showing initiative because you are preparing to do the work independently. There is always more to be done, so if you are not sure what to do, just ask. If you finish your work early, ask for more. Asking questions is an important part of the job. Asking questions is how you learn how your specific job fits into the larger organization. The more you learn, the more you can assist the team and grow your career.
Have you ever heard there's only one thing in life that never changes, and it's change? Dealing with change can be hard, especially when it happens quickly and unexpectedly. It's normal to feel confusion, excitement, sadness, shock, and/or anger when changes happen. But how we choose to adapt is important, and anyone who can adapt quickly and effectively to change can stand out in the workplace. So here are 3 tips on how to effectively adapt to changes in the workplace. Adapt to change quickly and move forward with a positive, can-do attitude. Use problem-solving and critical thinking skills to understand and become comfortable with the change. Change is less scary when you understand everything you can about the situation. Be willing to learn new skills that support the change and make sure you're changing for the better. It's no doubt that change can be difficult because it alters someone's normal or what they're used to. But embracing change and learning how to adapt opens doors to powerful and exciting opportunities.
I'm Eric Balstead, an automation engineer for Georgia Pacific. At Georgia Pacific, nothing is more important than workplace safety. We have invested millions of dollars towards creating a safe work environment for all our employees. Spending money to create a safe work environment is great. However, it isn't enough. Our employees play a critical part in maintaining workplace safety by creating a culture that makes safety the #1 priority. As an individual considering a career in manufacturing, one of the best ways to improve your employability is to demonstrate a desire to create a safe work environment. We encourage individuals seeking a career in manufacturing to adopt the following thought process to not only help maintain our safety and the safety of others, but also show an employer your commitment to safety. Here are 3 tips for creating a safe work environment. Identify the possible risks associated with your work and your work area. If you're uncomfortable or unsure about something, stop, think, and ask others before proceeding. Always have the courage to respectfully challenge any processes, settings, or behaviors that you feel are unsafe.
Hi, my name is Vladimir Torres, and I am a welder with ExactTech and Marine Travel Lift in Sturgeon Bay. As you come into the workforce, you will quickly realize how important effective communication is. For starters, effective communication is exchanging ideas, opinions, and knowledge with clarity and purpose. When communicating effectively, it is important to remember these 3 key factors. 1, choose your words wisely. Think about what you are going to say to ensure your listener will fully understand what you are wanting to convey. Do not speak in text talk, as not every individual will understand the slang or acronyms you may use. 2, be a good listener. Listen to other individuals fully and feel free to ask questions before you respond. 3, consider your tone and body language. Be sure your tone and body language are not saying something different than the words that are being spoken by you. Poor body language and tone could leave someone to perceive what you are trying to say instead of understanding what you are actually wanting to convey.
I am Benny Oquendo and I serve as the Bilingual Manufacturing Training Coordinator at Harlan Label Printer. Today I will be covering developing positive relationship with others. What that means to us is here to help the team in any aspect, be respectful and strive to understand each individual without judging. Care about each individual and don't judge them. We all have things that happen to us that have impact our lives and who we are. Set your team members up for success, leave things as good or better than when you got over there. Put yourself in your team shoes. We are all equals. Be humble, be open to build a relationship with people, share experience with your team that you have learned that could help them. Communication is a two-way street. You need to listen more than you talk.
My name is Jordan Hockers. I'm a plastics engineering intern with Nicolay Plastics. Here are my tips for being successful in the workplace. Be sure to set personal goals for improvement. Challenge yourself. I was in high school when I started with Nicolay Plastics. I had no experience or expectations what I wanted to do for a career. I challenged myself to learn as much as possible, get outside my comfort zone, to be more outgoing and more curious. Listen. When working with someone with more experience and knowledge, it is important to listen to them. Listen to how they solve problems and interact with other team members. When they answer your questions, be sure to give them 100% of your attention. Being respectful and listening is important to growing yourself. Be open-minded. Be willing to take feedback from more experienced team members. The feedback may be good or it may be bad. Either way, have an open mind and listen to what areas need improvement. One way I have been able to reach my personal goals is by asking team members how I can improve. Do not just ask anyone though. Be sure to ask the ones with the most experience and skill who will be honest with you. Having someone tell you that you're doing great may feel good, but it will not help you improve yourself or your employability skills.